Have you ever wondered how something as simple as sitting quietly and breathing deeply could significantly enhance your life success and peace? Today we look into the ancient art of meditation, a practice that has been refined through centuries not only to relax the mind but also to foster an environment where success is naturally attractive. We'll explore how these time-tested techniques can be seamlessly integrated into your daily routine, offering a profound impact on your mental clarity and focus. Meditation, often perceived as a spiritual practice, is essentially about training your mind to focus and redirect your thoughts. Historically, meditation has been a cornerstone in various cultures around the world, utilized not only for spiritual growth but also for improving cognitive functions and emotional health. It involves a series of techniques such as mindfulness, or focusing the mind on a particular object, thought, or activity to achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm and stable state. Why integrate meditation into your life? The reasons are manifold. Practicing meditation regularly can help reduce stress, control anxiety, promote emotional health, and enhance self-awareness. It's not just about finding a quiet corner to sit in silence, but about cultivating a habit that prepares you to handle daily challenges more effectively. By allowing yourself the space and time to focus inwardly, you set the stage for increased productivity and a clearer path towards your goals. The benefits of meditation are not just anecdotal. They are robustly supported by science. Research shows that meditation can have a wide-ranging impact on the human body, influencing everything from mental health to physiological processes. Neuroscientists have found that regular meditation can change the very structure of the brain, enhancing regions involved in pain tolerance, memory, and emotional regulation, while reducing activity in the mind centers linked to mind wandering and self-centeredness. One of the most significant scientific findings is how meditation impacts our stress levels. Through techniques like focused attention and controlled breathing, meditation helps in reducing the production of stress hormones, such as cortisol, which is known for contributing to anxiety, depression, and fatigue.
Moreover, by improving our stress response through meditation, we enhance our concentration and mind clarity, making it easier to solve problems and make decisions that align with our personal and professional aspirations.
By the end of this journey through the initial stages of understanding and appreciating meditation, you will see that these practices are more than just relaxation techniques. They are transformative tools that equip you with the ability to cultivate a peaceful mind and a successful life. As we continue to explore deeper into various meditation techniques, remember that each step is an integral part of building a foundation towards achieving not only immediate benefits, but also long-lasting changes in both your personal. While looking into the art of meditation, it's crucial to understand how to prepare effectively for each session to maximize the benefits. Preparing for meditation is not complex, but a few simple steps can significantly enhance your experience. First, finding a quiet space is essential. This space doesn't need to be large or specially designed. A small corner of your room or a peaceful spot in your garden can serve just as well. The key is consistency. Using the same space can help condition your mind to enter a meditative state more swiftly. Setting a regular schedule also plays a crucial role in the effectiveness of your meditation. Whether it's early in the morning or during a mid-afternoon break, the regularity of your practice helps establish a rhythm in your daily life, making it easier to transition into a meditative state over time. Additionally, ensure you wear comfortable clothing to avoid any physical distractions. Comfort in your attire allows you to focus solely on the process of meditation, fostering a deeper experience. Breathing is at the core of meditation. Proper breathing not only helps to stabilize your thoughts, but also controls the energy flow within your body. Let's explore a couple of breathing techniques that you can incorporate into your meditation to achieve relaxation and clarity of mind. One effective technique is the deep diaphragmatic breathing, which involves fully engaging the belly, expanding the lungs, and inhaling through the nose. This deep breathing helps to reduce stress levels by lowering the heart rate and calming the mind. Another technique is the 4-7-8 breathing method, where you inhale for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 7 seconds, and exhale slowly for 8 seconds. This method is particularly beneficial before bed or during moments of heightened anxiety, as it significantly aids in reducing stress. By focusing on your breathing patterns, you can anchor your attention in the present moment, preventing mind wandering and promoting a state of focused awareness. While we continue to explore these foundational aspects of meditation, it's important to remember that the journey is as personal as it is universal. Each step you take brings you closer to understanding how these ancient practices can be applied to modern life challenges, providing a solid foundation for personal growth and success. We will look into more specific meditation practices that can be tailored to individual needs and lifestyles, ensuring that everyone can find a technique that best suits their path to tranquility and achievement. Transitioning from the fundamental techniques of breathing, we now explore the powerful practice of visualization, a method that significantly amplifies the impact of meditation on achieving success. Visualization involves picturing a positive outcome in your mind, crafting detailed images of what you wish to achieve. This practice harnesses the power of your subconscious to reinforce the belief in your goals and enhance your motivation to achieve them. Start by closing your eyes and picturing a scene where you have accomplished a goal. Focus on the details, the environment, the sounds, the emotions. The vividness of this practice is crucial. It's like creating a mental blueprint for success. Visualization not only helps in setting clear goals, but also aligns your mental and emotional frequencies with those goals, making you more attuned to the opportunities and actions that will lead to their realization. Now, building on visualization, another effective meditation technique involves the use of mantras and affirmations. These are short, positive statements repeated during meditation to reinforce positive thinking and self-belief. The repetition of these phrases can transform your thought patterns, gradually replacing negative thoughts with positive ones, thus fostering a mindset conducive to success. To implement this technique, choose affirmations that resonate with your goals and aspirations. Phrases like, I am capable of achieving greatness, or I attract success in all my endeavors are powerful starters. Repeat these affirmations during meditation sessions. Say them out loud or silently, whichever feels more powerful. The key is consistency. The more you repeat these positive phrases, the more embedded they become in your subconscious, influencing your actions and reactions in daily life. While we progress through these techniques, it becomes clear that meditation offers more than just a moment of tranquility. It provides practical tools for personal and professional development. By incorporating visualization and affirmations into your practice, you engage deeply with your aspirations, setting a mental foundation that fosters real-world achievements. Mindfulness is an integral part of deepening the practice of meditation. It involves maintaining a moment-by-moment awareness of our thoughts, feelings, bodily sensations, and surrounding environment through a gentle, nurturing lens. By practicing mindfulness, you learn to observe your experiences without judgment, which can significantly reduce stress and increase emotional resilience. To incorporate mindfulness into your meditation, start by focusing on your breath. Notice the sensation of air entering and leaving your nostrils, or the rise and fall of your chest. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your breath without criticism. This practice helps to anchor you in the present moment, enhancing your concentration and mental clarity, which are essential for both personal contentment and professional success. Recognizing the fast-paced nature of modern life, it is essential to adapt meditation practices that fit into busy schedules. For those who feel they don't have time for extended meditation sessions, several short techniques can be seamlessly integrated into daily life without setting aside large blocks of time. One effective method is the 1-minute breathing exercise, which can be done anywhere, anytime. Simply focus on taking 10 deep, deliberate breaths. Count each inhale and exhale, and try to make each breath deeper than the last. This quick technique can be a mental reset, providing a brief period of calm and clarity amidst a hectic day. Another technique is the practice of mindful walking. This can be incorporated into your daily commute or even a short walk to the coffee machine at work. Focus on the sensation of your feet touching the ground, the rhythm of your walk, and the sounds around you. This form of meditation not only provides physical activity, but also helps to clear the mind and refocus your energy. By adapting these short practical techniques, you can maintain a consistent meditation practice that fits your lifestyle, ensuring that the benefits of meditation are accessible no matter your schedule. Understanding the long-term benefits of meditation can motivate you to integrate this practice into your routine consistently. Regular meditation contributes significantly to enhanced mental health by reducing stress, anxiety, and depression levels. Over time, these benefits compound, leading to greater emotional stability and reduced instances of psychological distress. Physically, meditation has been shown to lower blood pressure, improve immune function, and help manage pain, making it a valuable tool in maintaining overall health. Additionally, the cognitive gains from regular meditation, such as improved memory and attention span, can enhance your ability to perform tasks efficiently and effectively, contributing to both personal and professional success. The key to reaping the full benefits of meditation is consistency. Establishing a regular meditation practice may seem challenging at first, but the key is to start small and gradually build up. You might begin with just 5 minutes a day and slowly increase the duration as you become more comfortable with the practice. Remember, the goal is to make meditation a regular part of your daily life, just like eating. Setting a specific time and place for your meditation can help build this habit. Whether it's a morning session to start your day with clarity or a brief evening session to help unwind before bed, having a routine makes it easier to stick to your practice. Using tools such as meditation apps or guided sessions can provide structure and guidance, helping you stay engaged and motivated. While we conclude this journey through meditation techniques and their profound impact on your life, remember that each step forward is a step toward a more balanced and fulfilling life. The simplicity and accessibility of meditation make it a powerful tool, not just for relaxation, but for fostering a deeper connection with yourself and achieving your highest potential. Thank you for joining us on this insightful exploration of meditation and its transformative benefit. We hope you feel inspired to integrate these techniques into your daily life, setting the foundation for a more relaxed, successful, and fulfilling journey. The path to wellness begins with a single step, and each moment of meditation is a step towards achieving your personal and professional goals. If you found value in this video, please consider liking and sharing it with others who might benefit from these meditation practices. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content designed to enhance your well-being and help you navigate the challenges of life with greater ease and confidence. Your engagement helps us create more content that supports our community and leading happier, healthier lives. Thank you for watching, and keep cultivating peace and success in your daily routine.